Fortune favors the brave, and the villa we're gonna see is exquisite piece. Villa Fortuna. I'm in the heart of Rio de Nagüeles, and I am delighted to present you a recently completed villa. I'm a brand new villa built by Carlos Lamas. Who is Carlos Lamas? He is the magician of a modern art. Everything this person touches becomes an art. Best features about this house is a jaw-dropping effect the minute you come through the front gate. I can just imagine your friends when they're coming in to visit you, the minute the front door opens, they come in, they have a jaw-dropping effect even before they walked into the house. And when you come into the house, absolutely everything you touch is a premium quality. It's such a well-built house. Now, and look at the space here. Look at the perspective towards the infinity pool. For me personally, this connection, this flow of space from the minute you walk in, big windows wrapping around the apartment, it just expands and makes this house feel infinite. Importantly, the orientation of this house is south. And what does that mean? That in winter, when the sun shines a little bit lower, you'll have a little bit more of the warmth in the house. And in summer, when the sun is strong, it's going to be a little bit higher. That will create a bit more cooler effect inside of the house. I am in love with the furniture of this place, and it's important to mention all of it is bespoke made in the best house from Italy. In my opinion, the most exciting part about the house is the terrace. Everything drowns, everything is connected to it. From the moment you walk in, what you see is the garden, the pool. When you're here in the kitchen, in the living room, it connects anywhere you go on the ground floor. And once you're out there, it's a pure harmony from the way it works, from the quality, from positioning. It's stunning. All elements in this house has been carefully selected to create the maximum comfort, even the very popular sauna. You also have it here. Who is this house for? Bruce Wayne. Why? Because you are 30 seconds away from the motorway, from the highway. If you have an emergency, you need to go to La Cañada, it's a 3 minutes drive journey. You want to go to Porto Banos, it's 5 minutes. You are here in the middle of everything. And as we know, the only thing you can't buy with money is time. And can I tell you a secret?
I'm glad.